makes your life easier.
So now we're going to start putting the Cedar Shiplap planks on, and we're going to start in the little refrigerator cubby so we can get our refrigerator mounted, and we'll just work our way around the walls. Hopefully we'll get a good bunch of it done today. Make sure you push it up as you nail it.
Push it up! Push that shit up!
Okay. So now let's see what we got here.
Next up on the block.
Oh, how close is that?
Oh.
Okay, well let's see what that measurement is. Oh, I think I did that. I'm using it. We're gonna go right with 28. That. Einhorn is Finkel. Finkel is Einhorn. How's that getting on square, man? We use the square. I bet you the camper's non-square.
Oh, that's a shot.
Yeah. 28. Fat 28. Yeah, we're going to do a fat 28. Okay, fat 28.
Red 27, blue 54, Old Mississippi, fat 28, on two, on two. Break.
Big one in there. Oh boy, now we got one that's we gotta cut the corner off.
Not like this.
Okay, so 28 inches for 1.5 inches.
28, 1.5.
28, yeah, look at this.
Scared the shit out of me.
Me too. Okay.
There's two specialized cuts here, isn't there?
Oh, we're just gonna save them because they probably come in handy. Now, what did I say? 28 for 1.5 inches?
Inch and a half. Wunderbar! Wunderbar! Shiplap or shiplap?
This one's got a, yeah. That one's gonna be cracking it. We'll just gotta open the next box. Unless there's some left in this. Oh yeah, there's some left in this box.
Huh?
Yeah, what the hell?
Who the hell does that? Who the hell is that?
It's hard to tell because these parts of the board make it like optical illusion. It looks so crooked because of the part that's whited out. Well, she's slowly shaping up. Cedar looks and smells really nice. You know what? I ain't gonna be able to put any up here unless we put a backboard on there. So we're running into all kinds of crap here. Really, boy? You can't even open the box of shiplap?
No, Mama, I can't open it.
Come on, I don't want to take you behind the shed and whoop you.
I'm trying, Mama.
This isn't going too fast, guys. I thought we'd get a lot further today, but it's going pretty slowly. So it's pretty slow going today with these boards. They are not easy to work with. They break and crack very easily when you're trying to cut around corners and stuff. Any bumps or anything like that, and they will crack pretty easy. And this old Hobbit hut has lots of bumps and bruises and whatnot. So now, my latest problem, stripped screws, so I gotta try and get those out so I can continue down this wall, down this bench, and then we're gonna be doing the bottom around the bench, and the bottom around the kitchen. But the cabinet faces we're gonna be painting gray to match the cedar. Ooh, it is pretty chilly today. It's supposed to get up into the 30s this afternoon, but it's pretty chilly right now. Ooh. So we finally got the Cedar Shiplap done. Get some heat going in here. It took several days, but I finally got this Cedar Shiplap done. And it looks pretty good, so it was definitely worth all the pain in the butt I had to go through with it. So today I'm hoping to get the cabinets painted, get the inside of this cabinet done, get the door trimmed up. Whew. But first thing I'm going to do is take off the cabinet doors and get them in the house and get them painted, and hopefully by the time I get that done it'll be warmed up in here a little bit. So let's get these cabinet doors off and in the house where it's nice and warm. So this is our tabletop. We're going to be putting on the Lagun swivel table mount. Hopefully we'll be doing that in the next couple of days. Alright, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is sand these down a little bit, where these holes are. And then probably fill in these holes with some wood filler. Okay, so we've got some plastic wood, all-purpose wood filler. Should work for filling in these holes. Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do is finish installing the refrigerator. We're just going to put the platform that we made for it on these railings or sliders, so we can just pull it out when we need to get something out of it.
Where's the... Hi.
Hi, what are we doing now? What do you need, screws?
No, I need tape.
I bet you I forgot the screws in the house, so I gotta run in and get them.
Okay, it's 27.5 inches wide.
Okay.
So, we got first one here at 8.
So the first rail starts, yep, right at 8.
You got pencil and mark it. That should be it, right?
That looks
25?
pretty good, yeah.
23.5 is it?
I just gotta make sure we keep it straight here. Okay, that looks good.
So that.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, she shouldn't move now, huh? Got one
No,
more.
she shouldn't. If it moves now, I quit.
Okay, one is in. Okay, now Oh boy, that looks pretty straight. It looks dead on.
But do you love me, baby?
Yeah!
You got screwed. At least we ain't cracking no planking.
Yeah, that's a good thing. It's an amazing thing. Oop. Okay, so it looks like it goes this way. Way over here.
You gotta make sure these are.
Yeah, that's what I'm... Hard to tell what the name. Okay, let's put it that way. Let's put it this way. 8 1/4. 8. This one's got to go over. Okay, it looks perfect now.
You know, back in the day when I was a kid, my mom used to keep. What the hell was the foot passengers?
Oh, and the little
Sucrets?
secrets, yeah.
And a lock and key. Now I'm 61. My wife keeps the screws on the lock and key.
Well, we don't want you doing too much screwing now, do we?
Yes, we do.
Here we go now. Let's hopefully hell they match up.
See, what I gotta do is get one and the other lined up.
Okay, after a hard and mighty fight, we got that baby on those sliders, and now we're just
The mighty Quinn.
putting eyelets there to put a strap around to secure it down when we're traveling.
Ah, gotta go get a strap now.
Well, that's gonna work out nice. Yeah, we just gotta figure out how to easily lock that in when we're traveling, and so we can just unlock it when we need to.
Oh, I think I know how.
Some kind of lock or something.
Peg it.
Huh?
Put a peg in there. Drill a little tiny hole and put a peg in it.
Okay, and then just pull it out when we...
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good.